Hello students, in the last session we learned about the altitude hold in drones. In this session we are going to learn about the direction of rotation of propellers. So you all know about the propellers. So this is called the propeller. So what is the direction of rotation? In the last session we learned that if we increase the velocity of these propellers, that is the RPM of the propellers, then the drones will move up. And if we decrease the RPM of the propellers, then the drone will move down. So if we maintain a constant RPM or if we adjust the RPM according to the force acting on the drone, then the drone will remain in air. So this is called altitude hold of drones. So we learned about that in the last session. So now we are going to have a look on the direction of rotation of the propellers. You might have seen drones flying near you. So at that time you might have seen the velocity of the propellers, but you might have not seen the direction of rotation of the propellers. Now we are going to have a look on the direction of rotation of propellers. Let us check. So if I increase the acceleration of the drone, that is the velocity of the propellers are increased. So if I increase, you can watch the propellers are rotating. While stopping of the propellers, you can see the direction of rotation of the propellers. So if you watch closely, you can see that this propeller and this propeller will rotate in same direction, that is clockwise direction, and this propeller and this propeller will rotate in same direction but in anti-clockwise direction. So these two propellers are rotating in opposite direction and these two propellers are rotating in opposite direction, but these two propellers and these two propellers are rotating in same direction. So you can watch it one more time. So these two adjacent propellers will have different direction and the propellers opposite to each other will have a same direction. So why we are having a difference in direction when compared with adjacent propellers? So these are the adjacent propellers to this propeller. So if we compare the rotation of this propeller with these two propellers, then the direction is in opposite direction. Okay, let's have a look on why it is in different manner. In general, this is the diagram of a drone. So the direction of rotation of the propellers are in opposite direction. So if we change the direction of rotation as similar direction, so if all the propellers are rotating in clockwise direction, then what will happen? So if any particle rotates in a particular direction, it will create a force in that particular direction. That is, if this propeller moves towards this direction, then the particles around the propeller will start moving towards this direction, and hence the drone will move in the opposite direction. So if all the propellers are rotating the same direction, then what will happen? The air around all the propellers will be pushed in the same direction and the drone will start moving in a particular direction. That is, if all the propellers are rotating in the same direction, then the drone will not be in a stable position. So let us check this. Now I am going to control two motors that are located opposite to each other. So let us check. So now you can see that only two propellers will rotate. So if these two propellers rotate, then what happens? The drone starts moving towards this direction. So what is the direction of rotation of these two propellers? Watch it closely. Okay, while stopping you can see the direction of rotation of these two propellers. So these two propellers are rotating in this direction, that is clockwise direction. These two propellers rotate in clockwise direction and make the drone move in a particular direction. So if all the propellers rotate in same direction, then the drone will move towards this direction. So it cannot be stable in air. So if all the propellers rotate in clockwise direction, then the drone will start moving towards this direction. So it will not be in a stable position. Similarly, if we rotate the opposite propellers, that is these two propellers, okay, if we rotate these two propellers, what is happening? The drone is moving in this direction. So what is the direction of rotation of these two propellers? It is in anti-clockwise direction. So if we rotate these two propellers alone in anti-clockwise direction, the drone rotates in opposite direction, that is clockwise direction. You can watch it. Now you can see that the drone is rotating in clockwise direction. While rotating, you can see that the propellers are rotating in anti-clockwise direction. So if the propellers rotate in anti-clockwise direction, then the drone will move in clockwise direction. So the air around the drone is pushed in opposite direction according to the direction of the rotation of propellers. So if propellers rotate in clockwise direction, then the air around the drone is pushed in the opposite direction and the drone starts moving in anti-clockwise direction. So similarly, the drone will rotate in clockwise direction if propellers rotate in anti-clockwise direction. So if all the propellers rotate in same direction, then the drone will start rotating in a particular direction. So drone cannot be stable in air. So in order to make the drone make a stable position, we are creating a force that is equal and opposite to the force created by the adjacent propellers. So we are changing the direction of rotation of the adjacent propellers so that the drone will make a stable flight.